Alright, how to put your bagger attachment on. If you're going to put your bagger on your mower, you need to lift this flap up here and pull out your plug. That's why I couldn't find it. It was right there. I bet that's what it is. Pull out your plug, and these two little notches here, they're hooks. They're gonna go on these here. Pick it up, move forward. That's all you gotta do. We'll change the camera angle so you can see that. Right here is the little hook, and that other hook goes right on top of that and slides right down. And gravity holds it in from there. Alright, if you have your side chute on, take your side chute off, and then I'll put her in the bagging mode. Nice and easy. Bro, I am getting eaten alive by mosquitoes, bro.